Get ready to make your St. Patrick's Day Rainbow Mobile.
Miles is making the St. Patrick's Day rainbow craft. So we started with our paper plate, and along the top, I'll show you this place, there's almost like little squares. So you're gonna start with red and put one square in each little section, just like Miles did. Then the next row, you're gonna wanna put glue all along, and you're gonna put orange, just like you did the red. Miles has his orange done. Now he's going to put his yellow. So we did the same thing. We put glue all along. And this time they don't have the sections for the squares, but you've done it twice now. You kind of have an idea of how they should go. The yellow's done. Now Miles is going to put his row of green. You're right. So you're getting towards the end of the rainbow. So Miles is noticing that it's getting smaller now. So you may have leftover pieces, and that's okay. So if you decided to make your rainbow different colors up top, that's fine, because there's the same amount of squares for every color. So you'll have some left over that you can decide what you want to do with after.
Ta-da! Looks like a rainbow. Now add your wishes to the shamrocks.
Your wish.
I wish I had my toothbrush was invisible.
So Miles is finishing his third wish. We're thinking about what it is. We put glue on the 3 ribbons hanging from the rainbow, and that's where he's going to hang his wishes. What was your third wish? That was your second wish. We did that one. What's this one you're working on right now?
Candy.
You wish for candy?
And St. Patrick's Day.
And then you're going to put them on. Whoops. I'll hold it for you while you put it on.
Now my second wish.
Okay, you're going to put it on?
Yeah, it's going to be on your side.
Okay. Can you reach?
Yeah.
Awesome. Now we have to put the clouds on. Miles is putting his clouds on. Okay.
Mine is probably one of my wishes.
Now we have the fluff balls, the cotton balls. If you want to put those on your clouds, just put a little bit of glue and then put them on.
No.
Nice. All done, Miles? Looks great. So we're going to let it dry. We still have to put our ribbon at the top to hang it, and then Miles can hang it up. Where are you going to hang your mobile up?
In my bedroom.
Ooh, with all your other crafts?
Happy St. Patrick's Day. Follow @PaperPerfectCraftKits on Instagram.